Oh my god, I put way too much. Let's try the lashes. Oh my god, I can't even cut them. Hey everybody, it's Susie, and today the hat's going on because we're trying new makeup. And I went to the drugstore. I didn't have anything else to do. I went to Walmart and just bought a lot of things that look pink and purple. This Milani blush, look at this color, isn't that crazy? Lip gloss, this Revlon lipstick in, oh my god, like a really pretty, it's not really pink or purple, but this NYX eyeshadow palette. And the thing I'm really excited about is this magnetic eyelashes from Kiss. Let's try this because I'm really excited about this. It does. Well, nothing came off. That's not good. All right, let me try the blended full and see if I can get it off on there. It's pretty. It's like a iridescent shimmer. Let's try this color. Oh, it's got a lot of payoff color. Oh, pretty color. This purple. That's pretty too. That kind of looks like the blush that I just put on. Kind of a pencil brush. And I think I'm gonna do this darker purple kind of on the edges. And I'm gonna put that in the lid as well. I mean in the oh no, I'm gonna put this color right here in the crease because that's really pretty. Oh, that's a lot. Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I put way too much. And I like to bring it up because everything else is going down, so I'm trying to bring it up. You know, they're a little hard to blend, won't lie. It's kind of pretty. I don't usually wear a whole lot of color on my eyes, but this is kind of pretty. I'm gonna take a Q-tip, some of that off because it's like way too much. Let's use the little tiny beauty blender, or Blendiful it's called. See if we can get it in a little bit better. Let's try the lashes. Again, this is the Kiss Magnetic Lashes. What they say about it is magnetize your makeup routine with Kiss Magnetic Eyeliner and Lure Lash Kit. So you have to put this eyeliner on, then the lashes have magnets in them and they attach to it somehow. We'll see. If I can get them on, who knows? I mean, I can barely get the packages open, so let's be honest. Is it gonna work? I don't know. I don't really know what I'm doing. It says just put it on like regular liner. Ta-da! Here we go. Oh, I don't feel like they're sticking. Okay. What? What is going on here? Maybe I need a bigger liner. Let me just try to put it on the left. Oh my god. Oh my god, I can't even cut them. Well. Oh my god. Oh! Oh! Oh, hell yeah! Oh my god, it just like stuck on. Half of them are on my face, but wait a minute. How does it look? Oh my god. Meanwhile, let's try this lipstick. Here I am with my Mickey Mouse shirt, my Mickey Mouse shirt, and my Mickey Mouse eyes. What do you think? I'm gonna leave them on. They feel a little, they are heavy. They're heavier than a regular lash. Alright, well, I don't know. They're Kiss Magnetic Lashes. If you like them, Try them out. I'll link them down below, and everything else I'll link as well. Let me know what you think. Subscribe, like, comment, blah, 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 blah. And see you in the next video. Take care.